Welcome to LATAM MedTech Insights. This week, a significant regulatory shift in Brazil is sending ripples across the industry. On April 2nd, Brazil's health authority, ANVISA, officially published the final text of its new framework for software as a medical device, or SaMD. This long-awaited update replaces the previous RDC 657/2022 and presents both massive opportunities and complex new challenges for medtech innovators. The new regulation, which comes into effect in 90 days, fundamentally changes the pathway to market for digital health products in Latin America's largest market. The most critical change is a new 4-tiered risk classification system. This system is more aligned with the international IMDRF framework, which is good news for companies with existing approvals in other regions. However, there are specific Brazilian deviations. For instance, software that provides diagnostic information for serious conditions is now almost automatically classified as high-risk class 3 or 4, regardless of its FDA or CE mark status. This closes a loophole some manufacturers were using, but adds a new layer of scrutiny. Let's consider a real-world case. A European company has an AI-powered platform that analyzes dermatological images to flag potential melanomas. Under the old rules, its classification was ambiguous, leading to long review times. Under the new framework, it has a clear, albeit challenging path. The good news is that ANVISA has introduced an expedited review pathway for lower-risk Class 1 and 2 SaMD. The challenging news is that for high-risk AI and machine learning devices, ANVISA has introduced a major new requirement. Companies must now submit a pre-approved algorithm change protocol. This means you must define and get approval for how your AI will learn and update after it's on the market. This is a significant engineering and regulatory hurdle that requires detailed planning far in advance of the submission. Furthermore, the new framework has stringent cybersecurity and data privacy requirements tied directly to Brazil's data privacy law, the LGPD. This means international companies cannot simply submit their existing technical file. They must provide detailed documentation on data encryption, user authentication, and most importantly, where patient data will be stored and processed. For non-Brazilian companies, this often necessitates a local partner or data infrastructure within Brazil. Navigating these nuanced changes requires deep local expertise and a proactive strategy. The window to adapt is short, and understanding these new rules is critical for market access. For companies looking to navigate Brazil's new SaMD landscape or expand their medtech footprint across Latin America, having expert guidance is crucial. To develop your regulatory strategy and ensure a smooth path to market, contact the team at Pure Global by emailing info@pureglobal.com or visiting us at https://pureglobal.com/.